Guys, welcome to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can actually recover your desktop data that has been deleted, or recover your SD card crash data, or camera data, cloud drive data, file repair, and a whole lot of data recovery with this tool called 4D gigs. So if you ever want to recover any data, this is what you can actually use to recover the data, and it's very easy. So I'm going to show you guys how you can download this software and install it on your computer, be it Windows or Mac. And you can see you can also recover data on your laptop that you have actually deleted with a quick scan. So let's dive. When you want to download this software, all you need to do is to go to their website 4dgigs.com, or if that's hard for you, you can just search it on your browser. Just search 4D gigs recovery or 4D gigs data recovery. Click on whichever one you feel is okay for you. So just click on this. After clicking on it, allow it to load. So you can see that you can download it here for Windows or Mac. So for Windows, you can see the Windows icon there. For Mac, you can just click on the Mac icon to download it to your software. Laptop, sorry. Installing this on your computer is not hard. You can see I've installed mine. I installed mine 2 hours ago. And after installing it, I'll show you the next thing to do. So after downloading and installing the software, it's going to look like this. So you can see we are at the file that is the hard drive recovery. So I can recover data from my hard drive. So for example, I deleted the data on my laptop and I want to recover it, like my video file or an audio file, an image, a document, whichever file I want to recover. I can use this software to do that. So for this, you can see something like if you lost the data, you can scan down here. You can just click on the scan disk for you to recover a lost data. That's a lost data that is on your computer. So if you go to this part here, this toolbox, you can see that you can also recover data for your iPhone, your Android, your WhatsApp, and even Line, which is actually very good, because having a software that can do multiple things at the same time, it's actually very crazy. So if you come down here to file repair, you can see that you can fix file from your document, your video to your image. You can also enhance videos. Yeah, if you want to enhance videos, you can enhance videos with this. So let's say you have a crash PC. You just click on crash PC. All you need to do is to click on put your PC on boot recovery. That is, put your PC on boot recovery and click on get started, and you can be able to do that. So for cloud cloud drive, you can click on this. You can just click on the cloud drive and it will bring you to this place where you can see Dropbox, OneDrive, iCloud. So if you have lost any data either on your Dropbox, your iCloud, or your OneDrive, you can actually still recover it with this software. So let's do a quick test on so let's say I lost something here on my laptop. I can just click on quick scan, and after clicking on quick scan, it's going to bring me to this section where I'm going to find my hard disk. Here it's going to show my SSD. Then I can just click on scan. Then it's going to see 13 gigs of items were found. So I can import these items or choose to delete them. You can see I've scanned it before, and I've already recovered like 13 gigs of data that were not on this computer. So I can just click on rescan, and it's going to ask me which type of file data I want to recover. Then I can just click on I want to recover some video files. I don't want to recover document or PDFs. I can just select here and do this, and also come here. So I can just click on scan video only, so to see if I can get any videos, and immediately it's going to start scanning. And you can see it down here. It's really scanning to see if there is any deleted video file on this computer. And it can take some minutes for it to actually work, but definitely you are going to get your data back immediately it is done with scanning. So like I said, you can get this software on web. You can download it for your Microsoft Windows and your Mac OS, which is your MacBook, and your iMac, whichever Apple laptops you're actually using. You can see it's running. And funny enough, the payment plan is actually very affordable. Yes, it starts from $36, and you can pay and start your stuffs. While this is scanning, you can see that it has already found like 106 video files that were deleted on this laptop already. I'm going to allow this to scan so that I can recover those data. So if you find this video interesting, you can as well click on the the like and subscribe to this channel. So if you have any data that you want to recover that you have been deleted before, you can actually use this software. The name of the software is actually called the TensorShare 4D Gigs. Yeah, I'll catch you in the next video. Tech Rack.